November 25th, 2025. Insta360 X5 Essential Bundle and mic Air with the receiver, transmitter and receiver. Unboxing. We could have already unboxed and got them charged up, but we wanted to just unbox. We'll make this, then when we get everything unboxed, plugged up and charging, and download the software, the firm date upware, which I'm sure we'll need for the camera, then we will do a review of the camera and the mic Air, see what all we can connect it to. It says we can connect it to phones, laptops, and computers. We'll check our laptop. I mean, we'll check the Dell, but we'll also, and the HP, but we'll also check the Samsung Pad and the Samsung and Google Pixel phones. We use all of these things in getting our YouTube videos, along with an underwater drone and an aerial drone. Okay, to start with the mic Air, we have the user manual and initial pairing tips. Shows us how to pair this to different, how pair them together, or in other, that type of stuff. And it comes in this little pouch. Or they come in this little pouch, neat little pouch. Okay, inside the little pouch, you've got two different compartments for the stuff. You got the microphone with a magnet and the cable. This goes around that, and to put that on the mic part, or the fuzzy thing on the mic part. That button, I guess that is a magnetic button to put on the inside of your shirt or something other. I was wondering what that was, but it attached right there to it. It jumped right there on it, so that's a magnet. And that will be the receiver, I guess, to plug into your phones, laptop, or computer. So let's set this aside now and go ahead and get into this box, get all our components, and figure out, and we'll start reading instructions. Oh, don't we just love reading instructions? Okay, inside the box, we've taken the lid off, of course. We've got a case. We've got an Insta360 selfie stick. It's a shorter one than that one, but it is an Insta360 stick. I'm thinking that will be the fast charge and the batteries over here. No, it's a user manual, all that. That is, I guess, a fast charger. It's supposed to have an extra battery, so it should be two batteries. I don't see anything else under the selfie stick. Now this isn't part of it, but we also have two quick releases that we will be checking out as well. Two different types of quick releases there. We haven't opened them up yet. But let's open this stuff up and see what we got in there. Okay, size comparison difference. This is the Insta360 X3. This is the X5. Considerably larger. Batteries considerably larger. But inside here we got the camera. We got lens guards, two lens guards. Battery and battery case. There's one battery installed already, so that's two batteries. We got the cover, of course, which is much larger. And what else? Oh, the fast charger. It will charge two batteries That's rather interesting too. It's showing 3 batteries. I don't know what, but it will only charge 2, and there is the plug for it. And there again, that's some kind of switches and stuff, so we've got to read. And it's supposed to be raining today, so we're probably not going to get to video until later this afternoon. We'll be reading information, downloading firmware, getting that stuff installed and ready. But let's finish our, these are 2 different ones of these, and both of them have the setup where you can hook it up to your, like a traditional mount like that. It's on the Osmo Action 5, or clamp it on the bottom. I guess that's the magnetic, if it is magnetic, mount there on the bottom, where the X3 does not have that. I saw it, it's got the threaded rod. So let's start reading our information, and then this may wrap this one up until we start plugging stuff up. It probably will, until we get all this stuff plugged up. And this little Insta360 X3, it's an excellent camera, works very good, but I wanted better low light and 8K. I'm going to start doing higher resolution stuff. I've got 3 batteries for this. Everything works really good. I may be interested in selling this, depending on, right now, this Air mic, wherever it went. It says it does not connect to the X3. It says it will be connecting later. If I can get it to connect to that, or if it's going to connect to it, I probably won't sell that. But that's a very excellent little camera. It does very good video and stills. I may be interested in selling that if someone is interested. So shoot me an email and we'll see if we can work something out on that. I guess that'll be about it for right now. We'll wrap this up and start reading and downloading and charging.